Hello everyone, this is Jan Monahan for Wrapping with Jan. Today I'm going to do another tutorial about the Bowdabra, and we're going to be making an Easter basket. And if you're watching this after the coronavirus, right now we are in the thick of it, and there were some pieces of equipment that I could not get a hold of, some material, so I had to improvise. So just bear with me here. You get the box, you open it up, and you will see the Bowdabra itself, the Bowdabra wand, which goes one way, and it can go the other way. You'll get Bowdabra wire. You get a CD, which is probably the most important piece of equipment that's in this box. You can watch the videos, and there are tons of videos on YouTube. And then you'll also get this booklet that will tell you what to do and when to do it. All right, let's get started. Like I said, we'll be making an Easter basket, and you will need a basket of any size. This is a pretty big one. And you will need a pair of sharp scissors. I've got those. And we can get started. I have 2 spools of wired ribbon, and that's important. Make sure it's wired, because if it's not wired, it's not going to look right. It's just going to kind of droop, make it look like a sad bow. Bows are supposed to be happy. Oops, forgot another important thing. This is the Bowdabra wire. I hope you can see it there. I've taken about a little less than a yard, and you probably don't need that much, but this is just the way I do it. And you put it down the middle of the Bowdabra, just like this. And you tuck it under. The weight of the Bowdabra and the ribbon will hold everything in place while you're working. Okay. We've got our Bowdabra wand, and I'm going to start with, and I think this is only 1.5 inches. Well, what is it? Yeah, 1.5 inches, but there are 3 yards. I'm going to make 2 big bows and put them on top of the Easter basket. First thing you do is you find the right side of the ribbon, and you put it right side up, and you push it down, and leave the tail, I guess 6 inches long, and push it down, and push it down all the way. If you don't think it's all the way, you do this, and that will get it down to the bottom. I want you to twist only once. You only need to do it once, and make a loop, and bring it through, and twist again. And then you do that until you've got a bow as big as you'd like it. All right, twist, Wait a minute, did I twist that? Yes, I did. Okay. And twist. And keep going. This will be a bigger bow. And don't worry about fluffing until we get it out of the Bowdabra bow tire. Yeah, let's see, yep. And the wider the ribbon, the more dramatic the bow. So if you've got a wedding present you want to give somebody, this is the perfect time to use this Bowdabra and put a gorgeous bow on top of the gift, and everybody will say, "Oh, where'd you get that bow?" And you can proudly say, "I didn't get it anywhere, I made it." And everybody will be in awe, and you will feel great. Okay, now I'm going to leave this much because I'm going to be tying the bow to the basket. Okay, we've got that. Now is the time for us to put this down, scrunch it down, and you take the Bowdabra wire, both ends, and you see that? Both ends, and then stick the loose end into the loop and pull it tight. As tight as you can without breaking it. And this is pretty good stuff. All right, now what I like to do is I like to wrap it around. I'll take one end and start one way, and I'll take the other end and start the other way. So one end is going forwards and one end is going backwards. All right, there we go. Now we're going to tie this off, and I like to use a square knot. You don't know what a square knot is? It's right over left and left over right. That's a very secure knot. Oh, come on. Right over left and left over right. Okay. Okay, you want to trim it off. Trim off the, let's do that. Okay, now we've got our kind of fluffy bow. And this is probably the most important part of what you're doing. You're going to fluff each of these loops. You're going to pull them up, and you're going to make them fluff different ways, and when it looks right to you, it probably is right. And if it doesn't look right to you, then move the loops around. Doesn't matter. Okay. I tried to find 3-inch Easter bows, or 3-inch Easter ribbon, and there was none to be had. So this was the best I could do. And this is a great project to do with your kids. Yeah, it's a great sibling project. Once one sibling learns, the other ones won't be far behind. So I'm going to put one on here. And I don't know if you can see this. I may have to, okay. This is the, nope, all right. Okay, let's finish this beautiful Easter basket off. Off camera, I went ahead and I tied the other one. And as I said in the beginning, since most of our craft stores are closed, I usually use chenille stems or pipe cleaners to attach a bow to a basket or a bag or anything. But like I said, we're going to improvise. And just tie this like that. You could put streamers down here. You could put more ribbon than I have. Doesn't matter. Whatever looks good to you. And is that it? Yep. Okay. There we go. There's one. And don't forget to use the tails. Curl those up any way you see fit. It looks good. All right, now let's get the other one. Let's see, you guys still watching this? How about if I put it like that? Would that do? Okay. And I'm going to have to fluff these again because I got to move them around. Now here's the bow that I made off camera. And it coordinates with the little bunnies. Where's my string? Is this it? No, this is it. Okay. Yeah, with a lot of loops and a lot of tails, you're going to get confused, but that's okay. All right. Okay, can everybody see that? I hope. I'll try and bring this back. I'll have a good shot of it at the end. But this is Jan Monahan. We're wrapping with Jan. And to everybody out there, a safe and happy and healthy Easter. Thanks for watching.